everyone, thanks for joining me on this workshop page. So let's move into the content of this video. The top 6 reasons to find out your best colors, your color analysis results. So the first one is you will know what color choices are best for you to sparkle in for your hair, makeup, clothing, and accessory colors. So if you don't wear hair, makeup, clothing, and accessory colors that are in harmony with you, what may happen is that you look dull, washed out, perhaps your face and jawline appear wider, saggy, all not things that I think you want to give off. Whereas wearing colors that are in harmony with you, you will sparkle, your eyes will sparkle, your face and jawline will be lifted. It's like an automatic facelift. Your coloring will appear vibrant. So all fantastic things. So that's reason 1. Reason 2 is going to the hair salon or shopping for makeup, clothing, and accessories will be so easy. You can easily and efficiently approach items and hair colors that give off your best. You will instantly know. It makes the shopping trips, etc. so easy because you will quickly eliminate items from your view that you shouldn't be looking at and only entertain items that will make you sparkle. Simply buy the color. When you start buying items in your color palette, they easily mix and match with each other because they're the same undertone, value, and intensity range. Here, for instance, is the True Winter flag. If you buy an outfit that has colors in this flag in it, they will naturally go easily with a second set of outfit colors that you bought in this color palette range. Wearing hair, makeup, clothing, and accessory colors that align with you contribute to you feeling great as well, because every time you look in the mirror, you'll be sparkling and be giving off this vibrant glow. That feels fantastic. It also feels fantastic when people comment about the sparkle that you're giving off. They'll make comments like, "Ooh, your eyes are so sparkly today." Knowing your best colors or color analysis results is also a fantastic one-time investment in you. I did a video recently where I talk about whether or not your colors can change with age, so I'm just going to include a link to that somewhere on your screen. But really, it is very rare through one's lifetime that their color palette would change if they were color analyzed correctly. So this truly is a wise one-time investment in you that will carry you through your lifetime. And the last reason that I feel strongly about to get your colors done is on an energetic level. So there is a holistic practice called energy muscle testing. And I'm not going to get into what that practice is. I'll include a link to that, details on that somewhere on your screen. But when you are wearing colors that are energetically in harmony with you, so in the same undertone, value, and intensity range as you, you actually are energy muscle tested as stronger and giving off a stronger yes vibration out into the universe, because color is energy, and I like to be in harmony energetically with what I wear as well, so that I give off yes energy. It just is that sort of additional sparkle on an energetic level. So there you have my top 6 reasons to get your colors done or find out your color analysis results. Thanks again for joining me on this workshop page. I'm so excited for you to join me on this color analysis journey.